It's 5 a.m. in Glendale, Arizona. Morning twilight. Let's go for a ride. It's a beautiful 70 degrees. Sun isn't quite up yet, but there's enough light to see. I decided to stop and take a look at the building that had been under construction and been empty for a long time. Looks like they're open for business. You can get some coffee here. Well, the sun will be coming up soon, and I want to make sure it's at my back, so I'm going due west. This is my absolute favorite time to be out riding. About a few minutes before sunrise, enough light to see, but too early for much traffic. Okay, now we're heading north. About, I don't know, half a mile to Sweetwater, which is where the park is. Stay with me. This is Sweetwater Park. I just love this place. Let's stop for a while. And I really do appreciate all of the hard work that people do here in the park to make sure it's nice and clean and beautiful and available for people like me to use. Thank you very much. Well, I've eaten my breakfast, so now I'm going to go adventuring along what I call the Sweetwater Corridor. Here we go.